All right, hopefully that went not too bad for people. I'm going to turn to Brianna now to start me off. I'm going to write the first thing and then you're going to actually do it. The way we're going to do this, as mentioned, is you're going to sub equation 1 into 2. Okay, so what that means is everywhere I see a y in the second equation, I'm going to put a 5x minus 3. Can you tell me, please, Brianna, what I have to write? Okay, good. 8x minus 3, 5x minus 3 equals 2. Okay, so far so good. All right, Morgan, algebra time. Can you please get rid of those brackets for me? Go ahead. Okay, good. 8x minus 15x plus 9 equals 2. So again, please watch your integers again. Negative 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. So negative 3 times positive 5 is negative 15. And negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Okay, so far so good. Leanna, can you please tell me what to do next? Okay, good. So what she told me to do there was to change 8x minus 15x into negative 7x and turn this into 2 minus 9 across equal sign, which should turn into negative 7x equals negative 7. All right, Shay, the last step is what? Very good. Divide by negative 7. And you should get x equals 1. Okay, if you were unable to get this answer, please just take a look and see what you did that you got that wrong. Okay, integers, I'm going to be honest, in this class, I'm not looking here to throw curveballs at you. I'm going to use nice answers in most of the questions. Some of the word problems might be a little bit messier, okay, right, but nothing horrible. So if you get an answer of like 2.4939293, something is up. All right, so there's that. So Marco, I know that x equals 1. How do I finish up this question? Okay, hopefully what you said was now sub x equals 1 into 5x minus 3. And that's going to give us our y. So I'm going to say y equals 5 times 1 minus 3. Which happens to be 5 minus 3 and y equals 2. And we'll do a therefore statement. We'll say therefore the point of intersection is 1 and 2. Now, if your name is, I don't know, Adam, let's say, and say, Mr. Sadler, I can do this a lot faster in my head by guessing. Good for you, okay, but you have to show your work to get full marks. The final answer is only worth 1 mark. I know that Rowan last week when we were doing the graphs was sort of picking up the numbers in his head, or trying to, when we were doing the question on Adam and Sage's marks in this course, right? And they had different slopes, and we were going to find when they're going to be the same. And people just started throwing out numbers. Please don't just throw out numbers. Guessing and checking is fine, but this is a much more elegant solution, and we want to do that. Okay, I have one more example for you today, and then I'm going to leave you the rest of the class for homework. I have 2 examples, or 1 example for homework. 1 more in class we're going to do right now, example 3, and example 4 I'm leaving for you. Example 3. And thank you, by the way, for your patience, Ms. Skiba. Hopefully this is going well. Please let me know how it's going. Thank you to the class for playing along. Please answer, or please try and answer. This one here is a little bit trickier here. I'm going to say find the point of intersection using substitution. Okay, so I'm going to start with x plus y equals 10. And then it's going to be 3x minus y equals 6. Now, Miranda is probably jumping out of her seat saying, okay, Mr. Sadler, I know I can do this with elimination. That's true, but I want to use substitution. So step 1 of substitution, if you think back, the first step it said to make the equation y equals. So I'm going to pick on either Adam or Sage, depending on whose hand is up higher right now. One of you is going to tell me what is the better equation to make y equals number 1 or number 2, and you're going to tell the class why. Okay, hopefully what you said is equation 1. The reason that we're going to make equation 1 y equals, or to isolate y, is because there's already just a plain y by itself. Okay, so I'm going to start with x plus y equals 10. Then we're going to Benton. If I want to isolate y, what's y going to equal? Okay, hopefully what you said was y equals negative x plus 10. Now you might need to hit pause here, Ms. Skiba, so that everyone can see this and get things copied down, because I'm feeling good about this question, so I'm going really, really fast. So just take a second here. If you need to, Ms. Skiba, hit pause. Y equals negative x plus 10. Now what we're going to do is we're going to sub this into I'm going to sub into the second equation. All right, Sage, it's up to you. Go ahead. So you said 3x minus bracket negative x plus 10 equals 6. Now for Sage and everyone else, please watch your integers right now, because this is where things start to have problems. Michael, can you please get rid of the brackets? What does that turn into? Very good. 3x plus x minus 10 equals 6. So we're just getting rid of one bracket at a time. Owen, tell me what to do now, please. Okay, good. 3x plus x is 4x equals 6 plus 10. So what I did was the negative 10 moved across to be a positive 10, and you get 4x equals 16. Jess, use the power of mathematics and tell me please what x equals. X equals 4, lovely. Okay, now you can sub x equals 4 into any equation you want to. But Miranda, which one is probably the best one to do? Anyone will work, by the way. Let's do that first. I hope what you said is sub x equals 4 into that one right there, which is this one right there. Any equation will work, but because that one already has y isolated, you may as well use that one. So I'm going to start with y equals negative x plus 10. I'm going to sub in a 4. So y then equals negative 4 plus 10. Then y equals 6. Therefore, the POI is 4 and 6. All right, thank you very much for your attention, folks. I'm going to throw your homework question on the board right now. Your homework question will take you the rest of the period. Okay, and if the period's over, it'll take you until tomorrow. I'm going to do a choice assignment on this tomorrow, and we're going to get into this to make sure that you're feeling good about your algebra. I will have your test back for you tomorrow, and yeah, we'll go from there. Here we go. Here's the homework. Homework is number 1. There's that one question. Find the point of intersection. Using substitution. Of y equals negative x plus 3 and 4x plus 5y equals 13. Okay, there you are, folks. Hopefully that was useful. Let me know if it was tomorrow. Ms. Skiba, you can also let me know. Just leave a little, or I'll talk to you tomorrow, I guess, and let me know how it went. For the class, can be open and honest. If this wasn't good, hope it was useful to you to get a few good examples for yourself. Yeah. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.